Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of Principles of Macroeconomics. My name is Dr. Armstrong, and I'm the professor for the class. In week 3, we're going to be talking about interdependence and gains from trade. And this will be one of those weeks where we kind of look at how things kind of work to balance each other out, because we want to definitely have a balance between two parties. We don't want to have parties where one person is only reaping the benefits while others are not. And if that happens, that kind of definitely does cause some conflict. So, kind of how we're going to look at it this week, we're going to go through the assigned readings. We're going to look at chapter 3 and chapter 9 of the textbook. And we have the review slides for you guys as well. These are a couple articles we're going to read on this as well. So there's 3 of those, as well as a web page and 2 videos. And it's going to be one of those things where we're going to definitely look at different ways of kind of looking at trade itself. I know you guys are probably asking yourself, what's due this week? So we have Unit 3 discussion, which will have discussion board grade, the dates below. We have the Unit 3 essay, which is due on Sunday before midnight. We're going to have the Unit 3 short answer assignment due on Sunday as well. The discussion board post, we got the initial post is due on Wednesday, so definitely please post on that. I'm going to post my post on there real quick after this lecture gets done on this. And you guys can definitely follow my suit on that. Post before Wednesday and respond to others before Friday at midnight. And keep the conversation going until Sunday. Again, we're going to have an essay on here that's going to be due as well this week. And it's called Two Ways to Make a Car. And we'll go from there on that part. We also have that short answer assignment as well. So that's a brief introduction of what we're talking about this week and kind of what we're going after. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to let me know. I'm here to help you out. But otherwise, hope you guys have a great day and a great week. Thanks.